Hi, grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume the theme 3, chapter 1 in theme 3 in your book Discover. Lesson 3, I will make a revise on lesson 1 and 2 that I started last video. And I resume lesson 3 today. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, last class, we will. I would like to remember you what we took last video. Last video, we talk about the Nile. We talk about the Nile, and we talk about the map. And we know in this lesson, we know the Nile and know where the Nile moves and moves from what. We all know that the Nile moves from north to from south to north, as we know last class. And in last class, we know the idiom which is called geography, and we know that geography is the study of land and water and air, and how they affect people's life. We know the details on the map, and we know and we know every part of the map refers to what, like legend here, like the colors. We know the blue is for water, we know the green for plants, we know the brown for mountains, and we know the yellow for sands, as we know last class. Last class, we talk about transportation and know the means of transportation that we use. Like fishing boat, like fluka, like sailboat, fishing boat and ship, and the boats that we take it for a tour, and no more this last class. And we do this activity together. Today, it's about the weather. Let's go to our lesson today, weather and our world. Here we have closed boat and open boat. When the weather is cold, can we use the open boat? No, we use what? We use the closed boat. So I select the closed boat by the running, and I select the open boat by what? By the sunny day. Okay. Does the weather affect our choice of clothing and activities? You can think with me. If it's cold, if the weather is cold, this affect for choosing clothes? Yes. If it's hot, also affect? Yes. If when the weather is hot, what we wear in hot days? In hot days, we wear shorts, we wear t-shirts, we put caps on our head, and so on. Okay, this is in hot days. In cold days, we wear what? Scarf, we wear jacket, we wear coats, we wear paltos, and many things. Okay, so here we have, does the weather affect our choice of clothing and effects? Yes, so it's correct. How we'll go to school if the weather is rainy? I go to school when the weather is rainy by bus. Can I use the bicycle? Wrong. Why? Because it's rainy. I ride a bike and the water wet me. No. It's not. It's not. It's not right. So in the rainy days, I have a bus. I go to school, but okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the weather map. What if the weather map gives us? The weather map tells us the weather in different cities by using samples. Like what? Like making sun if it's sunny, rain if it's rainy, air if we have a windy. Okay? Yes, let's go. The symbol of windy, which one is the symbol of windy? This one. This is the symbol of windy. Symbol of Rani. Which one is symbol of Rani? Symbol of Rani, this one. So I select this one. Here is symbol of Rani, this one. Wendy, Wendy is this one by this one. Wendy. Sunny, which one is sunny? Sunny is one by this one. Cloudy, this one by this one. Okay, cloudy. This is partly cloudy. This is partly cold. This is cloudy. This is cloudy. Okay. Let's continue the rest. So I will repeat it again. If it's not clear, I will repeat it again. Here is windy. Which one is windy here? This one. Which one is runny? This one by this one by the water. Okay. Sunny. This one by this one. Cloudy. This one by this one. This is the cloudy. Okay. Let's continue the rest of this lesson. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have activity. Match tool that used to measure. Here is when. This is called when we measure the wind. We use the anemometer. When we measure the temperature, we use thermometer. We use the ruler to measure what? To measure the height or the length. This is called ruler. Okay, we have ruler, we have thermometer, we have anemometer. The anemometer used for wind, the thermometer used for temperature, the ruler used for the height or the length. Let's go to another item here in this lesson. Okay. Here we have read and choose the correct answer. Here we have the temperature tomorrow will be 30 degrees Celsius. You are 1 meter tall. Here we use space to say hot or cold temperature. We use what? We use thermometer. So I select this one. So I will write this one. So the answer it will be this one. Let's go to another item here in this lesson. Okay. Here we have name the city and name the city. We measure temperature by using. We measure the wind. This is an activity. I will leave it. You can do it. It's not important to do it. And this is an activity also. Let's go to this is an activity. Let's go to another one here. Here we say Egypt from the space. Let's know Egypt from the space. Here is the direction. This is called north, south, east, and west. This is called what? Called directions. Okay. This photo was taken by the satellite from the space. We take this map from the satellite. Okay. Delta is low area. Line where the river meets the sea. It's shaped like a triangle. This is called delta. This is the delta. Okay. This is the delta. Hurghada is in. Let's know Hurghada. Hurghada here. Hurghada here in what? Is it in the east or is it in the west? As we know here in the east. So I select this one. So Siwa is at what? Siwa, where is Siwa? We search about this Siwa. Siwa in what? Siwa in what? In the west. Here is Siwa. Here is Siwa. Siwa here in what? In northwest. It will be here is northwest. North. Here is northwest. Northwest. So the answer to be northwest. Lake Nasser is at what? Lake Nasser. This Lake Nasser is here is south. Here is southeast. Here is south. Here is Lake. This is Lake Nasser. Southeast. It will be south. What? South what? It is Lake Nasser. Southeast here. Lake Nasser. Southeast. Here it will be southeast. Here is southeast. Delta is called with his name as the shape of what? Of triangle, as we know. Okay. Let's go to another one here. This is the map as we know it here. Here we have a scale called, this is called the scale, measuring map scale. We know by the distance. If the map not real as we know the map, the distance in on the map is equal in real, the centimeter. So this map scale tells us how long centimeter on the map equals in real. So this is called the map scale. Let's go to another one here, to another item here. In this part, we learn geography. Let's know more about geography. Geography is the study of land and water and air and how they affect people's lives. So this is the idiom of geography. We must know it. So when we have in the exam, if the study of water and air and how they affect people, so without thinking, I select geography. We have here map legend. What is the map legend? Let's know. It's the key to understand the colors and symbols on the map. Weather map tells us the weather in different cities using symbols like what sun, like rain, like air. All these called the symbols of that refers to the weather. Here is the anemometer. Anemometer used to measure what? To measure wind. Used to measure wind speed. Thermometer used to measure temperature. Read the map. How to read the map and measure the distance between cities? This is called the scale map. Okay. We go to another item here, which is sand and rock. Here we have many kinds of the movement of the in the earth, like sand dunes, white desert, eroded road near sea, colored cannon, Sinai. I think this called in Arabic al-ukhdud, colored cannon, Sinai, water and mud flowing. All these pictures from Egypt, how do you think they were made? They were made or wind and water effect? No, made by what? Made by wind and water effect. Okay. Here we have complete the words below. Here we put the word according to the movement, if water or wind. Then dunes made by what? By water or the wind? No, by wind. Here we have formed by, here is white desert. White desert. By what? By wind. Let's go to another one. All these by wind. We have some others by water. Let's go to know it by together. Here we have water and flowing mud and flowing and mud flowing. It will be what? By what? By water. Here is by water. So I put here water. Here is water. Eroded road near sea. It will be what? It will be here water. Okay. Colored cannon, Sinai. It will be water. Okay. Here is the erosion or the erosion. Erosion. What is the erosion? It's effect of wind. Okay. Does the shape of the rock change in the shape of B? Yes. Yes. It changes. The erosion or the change made by main or wind? No, it's by wind. Erosion. Let's know the definition of erosion. Erosion is the change in the shape of things around us by the effect of wind or water over time. This is called erosion. I will repeat it again. Erosion is the change. Erosion is the change in the shape things around us by the effect of wind or water over time. Okay. Here we have write the names of places that you like it. Here we have monuments. We have here restaurants. We have facilities. We have so here we have take the suitable answer. Here we have some of you saying club, some of you saying bar, say theaters. Everyone can do this by yourself. Okay. Tour guide. What is the tour guide? Here, the tour guide is someone who knows the interesting places in the city or area or country and takes people to visit them. And this tour guide, you can find it in the tourist places. Okay, in tourist places. Okay. A tour is a day schedule for a tourist that says what we will do, where and when they will. Okay. Here we have Zaid. Here is we have Zaid visits Hurghada. Let's read this activity and know the story. Hi Zaid, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi Zaid, how are you? How was your trip to Hurghada? Here is hi Zaid. how was your trip to Hurghada? So here, Zaid, his friend, asking him about the trip to Hurghada. Hi, Hand. The trip was amazing. Hurghada has beautiful beaches along the Red Sea. The weather was warm during the day and cold during night. Okay. What about the activities you did there? I learned to snorkel, to snorkel, to snorkel and go to see coral reef. Also, the city has restaurants with delicious food. Okay, here we have the location. Here is Hurghada. You talk about Hurghada. Hurghada, the location is near sea, near Nile, near desert. No, near sea. Daytime is warm. Nighttime is cold. Okay. Here we have an activity. Activities do sites to see monuments, facilities, and museums. You can write it by yourself. You can write it the monuments, facilities, or museum, and the food that I think all of us know that in when we go to any place that we have a see the favorite food that we take it in this place, it will be fish. I think so. Okay, because this status is on the sea. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have choose one of the cities to do a research. A research when you go to the internet and have books about information about. We have Alexandria, we have Giza, the pyramids, we have Aswan, we have Fayoum. All these you can go to the internet and talk more about these cities. Okay. Here is radio commercial by friend. A commercial is announcement to tell people about something, encourage them to use it. Okay, this called like someone we announced about the product or the place or all these called commercial. Commercial. Okay, Hazim, Hussein. Hello everyone. This is Hussein. I'm in Hurghada with friends. Guys, where is Samir? Here I am. I was underwater looking at corals. Sam, we are having so much fun here, and the weather is beautiful. It's 21 degrees Celsius, and also the sun feels good. Yes, I had fun playing with new friends on the beach and built a sand pyramid together. Our time is almost over, dear listeners. We recommend to Hurghada. You will have so much fun. Yes, come enjoy your time in Hurghada. Noor, Samir, and Hussam, goodbye, dears, from our radio land. Okay. Here we have commercial part, and this is the example. Okay. Greetings, introduce yourself, say where you are in saying a place, describe the activities and the city, be funny or humor, invite listener, use descriptive words like this: beautiful, good, fun, and good. Say goodbye and so on. Okay, this is the planning a commercial also. I would like to go to the page of what I learned here. In this part, we learn. This is the page, the important page that I would like to note. We know the erosion. This is the erosion. What is the erosion? We knew that erosion is the change in the shape of things around us that affect by wind or water. This is the erosion. Here is we have a planning radio commercial, as we know it. Grading temperature, have high temperature and low temperature. Here we have a self-assessment that we say that we know here the commercial. We say we write grading, introduce yourself, and say where you are. So here this is the details that we write it. Describe the activities. Be funny. Invite listener to the city and say goodbye, as we know here in this part. Okay, this is we know it here in this part. Okay, like this. Like this one. I would like to go to know how to yes, like this. Okay, say greetings and we say hello everyone, or this is the commercial part that we do like this. Hello everyone, this is say where you are. So I say I'm in any place. Describe the city and activities. Be fun or humor. invite our listeners, and use of descriptive words like fun, beautiful, and so on, and say goodbye to everyone. This is the commercial introducing or the commercial application that we do it here in this part. Here is we say we can make an evaluation to our communication, our commercial. We make the evaluation to our commercial. My commercial is still needs work. So here we have still need work or good or excellent. Okay, this is the evaluation of this commercial with this commercial. Okay, I will leave this to do it by yourself. Today we finished from chapter 1 in this part. Next class we will start chapter 2 in this theme. I hope to benefit from me during this video. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.